folk studio, which is a fusion music. When traditional elements of the music is combined with the Western instruments. So this music I do prefer generally.
And then you did BTech in mechanical engineering.
Yes.
Then you spent how many years preparing for civil services?
Around 6 years.
6 years. Why this passion? I mean, 6 years is too much of a time, youth, to be spent on doing this. How many times did you get into the interview stage?
In two times in the Indian Forest Service, and this is second time for civil service.
Okay, so you might, when you prelims ke baad, you opted to appear only for the forest service exam.
I opted in prelims stage itself. I am appearing for civil service and forest service. So I get call from both to appear for mains examination. And then after interview is a separate one.
So you appeared for both the mains separately,
Yes, sir.
and then you didn't qualify the mains for civil services, you qualified in the mains for forest service.
I qualified for both civil service last year, civil service and forest service.
Okay.
I appeared for both interviews
Interviews.
and final selection in Indian Forest Service.
Forest service, okay. Right. Just, I didn't know this. I thought it is allotted out of this only.
No, it's a separate exam.
Okay.
What is Bhumi Amla?
Sorry, sir, exactly, I don't know.
This is the highly potent small plant which is now being used for Ayurvedic medicines. And it is being, in Punjab, they are propagating that one can plant it in your kitchen garden.
So, sir, I will see details about it.
Okay. And what is the state of forestation in India? Are we losing forests? Are we gaining forest? What is the state now? What is the long-term planning?
As per Indian State of the Forest Report 2019-17 and previous 4 reports, we are gaining forest cover in India.
At the rate of?
Sir, it is generally differs from report to report. So,
This is political answer. What is the national vision on this and what is the growth rate? Where do we stand? What is the long-term planning? Please study this.
so sir.
You're from Gujarat.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of Sir Creek? What is that? Why it is in news of late?
It is a strategic coral reef located in the Gulf of the Kutch. So it is the disputed region between India and Pakistan. Both are claiming their own evidences of its ownership.
And
Or-
why it has not? When was the first dispute raised in the history of Sir Creek? It was much before partition. When was that?
In 1910s. It was
Sure.
Sir, as per I read and I am recalling it is in
1910?
in that decade, 1910 to
Okay, granted.
1920.
Granted. Okay, go ahead.
So on that time, different agreements they were quoting and putting evidences that this is the part of
What
princely
creates,
states. Princely-
what makes it disputable? Due to what reasons? बाणगंगा क्या करती है यार ऐसी खास बात? है ना कुछ नाम बाणगंगा का बार-बार आता है ना इसका? Why it becomes so disputable? What is the latest now survey report regarding that region where even Pakistan has become more vicious?
So is that details I don't know.
पता कर यार ये तो
Sure, sir.
इमरान खान कहते हैं ये शायद हमारी इकोनॉमी बदल देगी रीजन the gas reserves and the petroleum reserves in the high seas also around that area and India is now more ambitious. गुजरात में, tell us what is the reason the gender respect in Gujarat is of class apart from rest of the country. In Ahmedabad or any region, you find girls feel very safe. What is your take on this? Why this is not so in other parts, and why is it so in Gujarat?
The reason behind that is that one of the cultural from the childhood upbringings. So it is given great respect to mothers, and also in the parts of the religion, the goddess is considered as a. So in almost many parts of the Gujarat, there is goddess temples are there, and it is one of the factor. The second factor I do believe is that safety and security is remain one of the primary object of the any government in Gujarat. So whenever crime is made, especially against women, it dealt with heavily. So it
Most
is
of the organized crimers again take shelter in Gujarat. Yeah, Gujarat continues to be the corridor for smuggling also. What is this?
especially, sir, I was mentioning related to gender things, because if against gender particular crime is made, then police dealt with it, then it acts as a deterrence in that cases. While in case of the trades, it is remained as a hub for international export and import since centuries, especially in Gujarat. So because of that, organized crime uses at the roots to make a transit from different parts of the country.
What do you think about the present budget? Was it good or bad?
Sir, budget tried to boost the demand through one of the things,
It tried. How?
because for example change into the income tax norms. Now there is a given two options.
That is more confusing. And the overall now the tables have come. The difference is not more than 5%. You said it gave boost to increase demand. Support that. What demand?
Because
Manufacturing units, demand in what terms? Money availability, what way?
now if I don't go with the exemptions, so I won't put my money into the pension and insurance funds. Because of exemption, if I opt for the single income tax slab, then I not need to invest my money in that. So I do believe that as a citizens, in my hands, there will be more money now. So I can buy more things, and due to that the
Sir, Chandan, be very specific. Up to 20 lakhs, the percentage difference is not going to be more than 5%, plus minus. And the option is you go for any system, old and new. So person like me is more confused, he'll have to refer to now chartered accountant, he'll take 5% fees and guide you, and that's it. Tell me, how much was the fiscal deficit this time admitted by the finance minister?
it was 3.8%.
And what is the target?
Target was 3.3%.
And what is the vision we will bring it to?
It is 3% in FRBM Act.
Immediate next year or next, like, what is the immediate target to bring it down to?
3.5%.
How will we achieve that?
Through getting money from different sources more. For example, through disinvestment targets
Of disinvestment of,
of some of the government-owned PSUs, for example, LIC, that kind of IPO will be given. So from that, disinvestment target will be most. Then government is also expecting more revenue from the GST collection, and it is showing positive signs in last two quarters.
how much was the disinvestment plan last year, last budget? This time it is 2 lakh crores. Last year, how much was the target? Any idea? 1 lakh. And we achieved 20,000. So do you think by declaring it in Parliament 2 lakh, we'll achieve this 2 lakh and issuing IPO of LIC, one of the largest organizations? And is it easy to sell Air India, which we could not sell Are you happy with the statement, or do you have to say anything as a future IS?
Sir, I do believe our target shall be ambitious as well as smart in this investment. Ambitious in the terms that we require resources for investing in development projects also. And at the same time, we can't increase physical deficit all the time because it will lead to crowding out of the private investor. At the same also, inflation will be increased. So if privatization through not rather than listing of some of the companies, we can get money out of it. It one of the sources for government.
Okay, let's stop it. This is all academic. You tell me the reality now. You say the GST will improve, but the production is decreasing, so GST will decrease. Production has steeply come down. In some cases, it is negative. So how will you earn more GST?
Sir, as per my knowledge, in some of the sector it might be, but overall,
Say one.
two
Say
days-
one sector. Infrastructure sector, is it progressing? Housing and infra. Automobile, is it increasing or decreasing? FMCG, is it increasing or decreasing? Which sector you, cement, is it increasing or decreasing? Petro, is it increasing, decreasing? Which sector is progressing, you said?
Sir, exactly on particular sector I don't have.
पता कर यार फिर,
So, sir.
पता कर बेटा.
So,
Thank you, sir.
Well, is there any plan to meet the challenges of climate change, history, the forest?
we have declared intended nationally determined contributions. So under that we have made 3 targets. One is we will reduce the emission intensity, energy intensity. The second is that we will increase the carbon stock of our country. And the third thing is that we are going to use more non-fossil fuels in the future. So these are the target through which we are fighting with the climate change in this country.
So what is the roadmap to achieve the target?
The main steps to achieve these targets, government has dedicated institutions. They are creating, for example, for carbon stock particularly. So primary focus in the forest area through which quality can be improved and quantity can be improved. In that carbon stock can be possible. So this is the one of the area under National Forest Policy 1988. We have target to achieve 33% of the forest area of this country. So this is one of the avenue.
A lot of corruption is there in forest department. What type of corruption is there, and how do you check it?
Corruption in forest area especially can happen in different routes. For example, when the timber which is produced out of the forest, if it's sold in the market, then it can be one of the avenue for the corruption. Second thing is the encroachment into the forest area. So this can be one of the part where the corruption can be possible. And the third thing I do believe is that when development projects requires the clearance of the forest, at that time also corruption can be happen. To fight corruption, I do believe that people's interference direct with the forest department shall be reduced. For that we can use e-governance practices. That is one of the things. And second thing I do believe is whenever there is a instance of the corruption, there shall be more prosecution and clear-cut prosecution shall be there. So it acts as a deterrent for the future.
District forest officers usually do not come to coordination of his coordination meeting in districts. Why is it so?
Because many times it is considered that forest departments are blocking development projects which is implemented into different districts. So that is might be one of the reasons possible.
What is new in the budget this year? Where is the focus?
as per me, main focus is creating demands in the market through different ways. For example, putting more hands into more money into the hands of the people, giving tax, reducing some of the tax like dividend distribution, so that more push can be possible there. So these are some.
That
of
is one part. What about the rural sector, farmers? How they are going to be benefited by this budget?
There is a 16-point program given into the budget, under which market reforms, credit uptake will be more. In target is 16 lakh crore this year. So this is one of the things. Land leasing and contract farming will be boosted through the state incentives. So these are the 16 points given into that, through which doubling of the farmer income can be possible.
Policy, any plan for barren lands in this budget?
Sir, I'm not aware of that.
Any of the three strategies, Mr. Chintan, you laid out for reducing climate change, would you call them mitigation efforts or adaptation efforts? The three ones you listed, including the last one, more use of non-fossil fuels. So are these mitigation efforts or adaptation efforts? As a Forest Service officer, I'm sure you will know the difference between the two. Do you? Or-
Yes, sir, I know.
Yes.
Because mitigation happens before any damage happens, and adaptation, if damage happens, then how to deal with it. So I do believe that.
But the damage has already started happening,
Yeah.
and we are still mitigating. So how can we are not preempting any damage, we are only minimizing the damage. Do you get the point?
As per.
So mitigation goes alongside the damage that is already happening. So we are only trying to minimize it. So these are mitigation attempts or adaptation attempts, the three ones that you listed.
So as per UNEP reports,
I'm just asking a simple question. Just answer me. The three things that you listed out, are they mitigation efforts or are they adaptation efforts? Since you know the difference.
sir, both, as per me, both goes hand into hand, because
Both are different. Anyway, so have you heard about NCOV? NCOV. What is NCOV?
Sir, I have not heard about it.
Novel.
Yes, sir, novel coronavirus.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So, who are the best hosts of NCOV virus amongst the animals in the animal species?
Bat is the one of the thing.
Why?
Bat. Because it is found by the researchers that bat suppress their immunity and they harbor
Suppress?
response of their immunity. For example, when
You have to be clearer than this. Suppress. Or they have the least immunity.
one of the least immunity as per research.
You should know that. He has the lowest immunity amongst all the mammals. Right, okay, so carry on.
So based on that, even they are suffering with the virus, they carry on. So they in that body, virus can sustain.